Hello everybody and welcome to Google. Yes, today we are on the Google homepage to do a different video. We're not doing a gaming video. I am going to teach you how anyone can record on their computer. So if you want a video to put on YouTube like I do, then you can follow this method. So let's get straight into it. First thing I'll say, make sure you've got a powerful enough PC because it might not work. I tried it on my laptop and it doesn't work at all. It records about maybe one frame every 20 seconds and then it just gives up about 10 minutes into it. So that's fun. So make sure you've got a powerful enough computer. I don't recommend doing it on a laptop, for example, unless it's a gaming laptop. But today, we are going to be alright? We're going to be using OBS. Now, I'll put a link in the description, but I'm just going to teach you how to do it from the start because, hey, why not? Right, so we're going to type OBS into Google. There we go. And it's the first one. Open Broadcast Software Home. Click that. And hello, OBS webpage, I guess. A load of stuff. So this is obviously the webpage. We're going to go up to download. It will bring up the operating system. Now, I'm on a Mac, so I would click download Mac. If you're on Linux, you do that. If you're on Windows, you do this. Do the latest version, probably. I would probably suggest that. Download it as however you need to. Download installer may be the easiest, but you could always download it as a zip as well. Depends. So, I would click the download for Mac. You might click the download for Windows or the download for Linux. But I've done it. I've already downloaded it. And I am going to go into my Launchpad, which is your Windows, basically. Your Windows key. Find it. There it is for me. Open it. You see it bouncing along the top of the screen. Now, chop the top of... I've chopped the top and the bottom of the screen off. So that... because you don't need to see any of that. So we're going to minimise this for now. There we go, stick that down the bottom. And we're going to come to the main OBS screen. So, what have we got? Well, let me just get rid of these first because, well, I suppose what, I'll tell you, right? We need to launch Minecraft first because we're going to need to set it for a specific game. So, I'm going to use Minecraft. Open up the launcher, there we go. Play. And I'll be back in a second. Okay, so here we are in the Minecraft world. The Minecraft Monday Let's Play world. This is, of course. And we just let it load in. Finish loading in. There we go. And now, I'm going to show you how to record this. So, if I pause the game and click on this, we are going to now want to create a new scene. Well, first, I suppose, before we create a new scene, I probably ought to show you how to set the whole thing up. So, we go into settings, and these are the key components. Now, generally you want language, theme, default, dark makes it dark, I guess. It looks quite nice. We're going to stick to the default for now, just to show you how it is. Configuration dialogues and stuff. I'm not 100% sure how you'd use this. You'll probably find something, but I've not found I needed to use it, so it's fine. Now we click stream. Now this is if you are streaming to YouTube. This is an entirely separate video, so I will not go through this. But you can see I've got the stream key here and YouTube information of which service it's going to be. I'm not going to click show because that'd be bad, and any person would be able to stream on my YouTube channel, so I won't do that. That's not a good idea at all. So I'll click output. Now this. I tried to record this video once before, and I entirely missed this out. I said it was not important. It's entirely important, trust me. So, output mode, simple, advanced, I don't know. I'm guessing that just gives you more options, streaming, recording, but we'll just use simple mode for now. So, streaming will depend on your computer if you're going to stream. You'll need to set that up as you find it, but this is the important part for today, recording. So we've got recording path here. This will tell your computer where to record to. So as you can see, I've got it set up to my movies folder. If I go into this, There you go. Here's my movies folder. Now, there's nothing in there. I've put my movie stuffs in here, because you don't need to see them at all. Further down, we will go into this. So, generate file name without space. That just basically, I think it makes the file have the space kind of thing. Quality recording, or recording quality even. Same as stream. You can have it high quality or low quality. I'll just put it the same. Now, this is the most important part I found. Recording format. When you download it first time, it should be in a .fly. Now, this is FLV. Sorry. Now, this is entirely bad. I think if you might need to experiment with it. It depends what your editing software likes. But if you're on Windows, I think it's usually an MP4. For me, it's an MOV file. So I've got to make sure this is recording as an MOV file. Otherwise, my movie editor can't work, which just so happens to be iMovie. So, these custom muxer settings, I'm not sure what that's for, but I've never needed to use that either. So I will not run through that. I'm sure it's important for something, and I'm sure you can find out. So, audio. Set this up as you wish. Microphone, I've set it to built-in. The others, I have not got anything. Stereo mono, you want stereo really, because that will take audio from different sides of your character when you're playing Minecraft, for example, and you'll be able to hear which side the skeleton's on, for example. So, you want push to mute, delays, and everything. You can set this up in your own time if you like. Video, we've got the resolution. This is my resolution of my screen. Your one will probably be different. Output resolution, this is what it actually shows. That probably ought to be on the same as this, but oh well. This seems to work for me. So, downscale filter, so this is, I think that's something to do with the amount of pixels per actual pixel that's recorded. Common FPS values, this is the amount of FPS you want to record, so how many frames every second you want your video to record. I've left it at 30 because that's the default, and it also works quite well. Hotkeys. These are not as important. They do work though. As you can see, these will probably all come blank. So you want to set the hotkeys up. I'm going to clear these because I'm not 100% sure if they're necessary. But these are the main ones you want to do really. Possibly the muting and unmuting and push to talk and everything. They're quite important as well. But because I'm not streaming, I'm not going to bother with that. Streaming setup, streaming start, streaming stop, F13 and F14 as you can see. So when I press my F13 key, I will start streaming. When I press my F14 key, I will stop streaming. Same here. If you press F18, it will start. Press F19, it will stop recording. So you can easily change that by just clicking on the new key that you want to assign it. In fact, you don't even need to click again when you see that. Here we go. When you want to change the key, you literally just click it once and then click the key you want and click off it. Advanced, I'm not 100% sure if this is necessary. Oh well, it's obviously necessary. But you'll need to set this up as you find fit. So then we'll click apply. There we go. And okay. So that's set that up now. You can see we've got this. This should be the screen that you get minus this. We will remove this because I'll show you how to set all that up from start. So, scenes. We want to click add. So I right clicked and I clicked add. Now it doesn't really matter what the name is, to be honest, unless you want to have different games on the record at once. So okay, my apologies about that. An alarm went off, but yeah, you've got to name it. You don't have to, but if you're doing different games, then it might help to name it. We're going to name this Minecraft because that is the game that we are going to be recording. So we'll click OK. There you go. Now you see this has got Minecraft. So this is what we're going to be recording. If we want to play another game and record that, we'll set it up as a different name. But now we need some sources, because as you can see, this is just a blank screen, which isn't good at all. So, right-click this. You can also use these plus arrows, but we'll click Add, and these give you all the different options that you'll ever need. Video capture, I'm guessing, I'm guessing this will capture the whole screen, probably. No, this, actually, sorry, I take that back. This one captures your face cam. So if you're doing face cam, that's the one you want. If you're doing audio, which we are, we will not want the audio input. Create new, audio input capture. We will just leave the name like that. It knows what mic I want to use. I've already set that up, but make sure your mic is there. In fact, no, I don't think it needs to be there. We need to do this. There we go. So click OK, and now we need to tell it which mic to use. Mine's my built-in microphone. You might have a external microphone, which you need to allow it to, but we will click that. So that's the audio setup, and as you can see, we've got the audio capture here, ready and raring and going. This is just telling you that the mic is actually working, and this one is telling you that the video is recording the sound. Obviously, we're not recording yet, but... So, we need to press the plus again. Or right-click. Now, video capture, like I say, is face cam, audios, display, that's the whole screen, I do believe. Window is just a window, so if we wanted to record just this, then we could do that. Game capture, I'm not 100% sure how them ones work. Image, media, and text. Well, text is kind of obvious, it's just a load of text, I guess. But we want game capture today, because I'm teaching you how to record your games. So, we'll click game capture. We will create new. It doesn't matter about the name, to be honest. I'm just going to leave it as it is for now. You can name it if you like. But now we know what to click source. Now, this is where it gets important that Minecraft is open. I've got to try and get it to pick up on the fact that Minecraft is open. And then it should allow me to add it. However, I may need to do this. Let's see, this shows me all the apps I have, but I don't know what it exactly is supposed to be doing for me, so we'll leave that alone. But what should happen is that you should have a drop-down menu that will include Minecraft there. Let me close that, because I've got to try and do this. It will take a while. Like this, it's probably actually a good thing. What do we need to do? Oh yes, we need to click that, and then we need to click the cog. Do that. Okay, the source is still not appearing. It should appear eventually. And then how much you want to show. So the crop amount. I'm having it on 0 because that will allow me to show the whole screen. And yes, so I will be back when I finally manage to get Minecraft to show up on here. Okay, so I've tried everything. I even tried restarting Minecraft and OBS. Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll ignore that. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I tried restarting OBS and Minecraft and nothing worked. But basically what should happen, and what usually happens, is that you click plus, it says game capture, add that, and then here it should bring up Minecraft. But for some reason it's not. So if it doesn't do that for you, the alternative method is to do one of two things. Let's remove that. You can either add a windowed capture, which will record just a window. Now, Minecraft is not appearing for me on here either. It was just a minute ago, but now it's not. So, rip that idea. So, the last idea that we can do is we can do a window capture. Now, this, not a window capture, sorry, a display capture. Now, this isn't suitable really for live streaming. You want to do a game capture for live streaming, because then it will always stay on the game. But, if you do this, if you do a display capture, that means it will record everything. So we will do one of these. We will crop this slightly because there are bits that crop the top and crop the bottom. Let's see what that looks like. It doesn't. Okay. Yay. Fun. Right. Remove that. Okay. Fine. Fine. Display capture. Display capture. And we'll just add that. There we go. So, that's that set up. And now, simply all you do is you press. So, once you've got this. Yeah. Once you've got that. You're going to want to press start recording. Quickly hop over to this. And now, Hello everybody and welcome to Minecraft Mondays. It isn't on a Monday because I'm just doing a tutorial video. There we go. And we will stop recording. So now you want to take that over to your file editor and cut it, and not your file editor, sorry, your movie editor, and crop that. Now what you can also do, you can go into Minecraft, and because I've set up them hotkeys on F18 and 19, I can press F18 and... Hello everybody, this should be recording now, so I'm hoping it's going to work, and thank you for watching. Press F19 and it stops. So as you can see, it's there. So where have they gone? Well, they've gone into my movies folder where I told them to be saved. So we can easily click this to watch it. Now I'll put this up in the big in the movie. Quickly hop over into this, and now, hello everybody, and welcome to Minecraft Mondays. It isn't on a Monday because I'm just doing a tutorial video. And we can do this one as well. Hello everybody, this should be recording now, so I'm hoping it's going to work, and so they are the videos recorded. I hope that makes sense to you. If you've got any more questions, I'll try and answer them in the comments, or I can do an extension to this video. I think that's all I've got to cover. Just edit these away, chop the bits off that you really don't need, and you're good to go. So that's how to record on any device. It doesn't work for Xboxes and that kind of thing, but PlayStations, you know, it doesn't work for any of them, but it works for anything PC related. So it's a good tactic. I would do it if I didn't use QuickTime Player. And yes, I hope you enjoy the tactic. So thank you very much for watching everybody, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye!